Hello children, this is chapter number 8 of Geography, Indian Climate, Part 2. Children, in a previous chapter you have studied that how the Earth's rotation and revolution causes the phenomenon of season. Revolution causes the temperature conditions that gives us annual cycle of season such as spring, summer, rainy and winter. So, seasons are caused by the Earth's revolution around the Sun. As you know that the Earth is tilted on its axis. Earth's tilted axis causes the seasons. Throughout the year, different parts of Earth receive the Sun's most direct rays. So when the North Pole tilts towards the Sun, it's summer in the Northern Hemisphere. And when the South Pole tilts towards the Sun, it's winter in the Northern Hemisphere. Along with rotation and revolution, other factors are responsible for annual cycle of seasons, such as differences in temperature, precipitation, and wind pressure. There are 4 major seasons in India: cold weather season or winter, hot weather season or summer, advancing monsoons or rainy season, and retreating monsoons or autumn. So let's understand and read the features about each one by one. The first season is cold weather season or winter season. It starts from mid-November to February. Cold weather season or winter in India begins from mid-November, stays till February. December and January are the coldest month. This is the time period when sun rays are vertical at Tropic of Cancer. The southern hemisphere is facing the sun, that is why northern hemisphere is cold during this time. The temperature decreases from south to north. In India, places like Dras in Jammu and Kashmir may experience low temperature, minus 45 degrees Celsius. In North India, temperature varies from minus 5 degrees to 15 degrees Celsius. In the southern part of the country, temperature is found 25 degrees Celsius. North plains of India experience low temperature. Places near from the sea have moderate climate. Winter is a season of fine weather, clear sky, low temperatures and low humidity. Days are warm and nights are cold. Frost is common in the North India. Places of higher slopes of the Himalayas experience snowfall. The western disturbance which originate in the Mediterranean Sea bring disturbances, cold waves and rain to the area of Punjab, Haryana and snowfall to parts of Jammu and Kashmir. Many cyclonic disturbances occur over northern India during this time. Cool and dry winds blow from north to the south. The wind during winter move from land to sea in northeast direction. These winds collect moisture from the sea near Tamil Nadu coast and causes winter rainfall in Tamil Nadu. This winter rainfall helps in the cultivation of Rabi crops. The Rabi crops grown during the months of October to March, and crops are grown such as wheat, mustard, peas, etc. The next is hot weather season or summer. From March to May, it is hot weather season in India. The season starts from the middle of March and continues till the end of May. In some parts of the country, it continues till the end of June. During this period, the global heat belt shifts towards north. Equinox heat belt shifts from equinox to solstice. The sun rays fall directly on tropics. The sun rays are vertical in the northern hemisphere, and because of this high temperature, low air pressure is created in the northern parts of the country. Summer is a period of hot and dry weather. In March, the average temperature is about 38 degrees Celsius in Deccan Plateau. In May, temperature is 45 degrees Celsius, which is common in the northern western parts of the country. Sometimes it touches 55 degrees Celsius in some parts of North India. The temperature increases from south to north. Many parts of the country, such as parts of North and Northwest India, experience heat waves. These are strong, hot, dry, dusty winds which runs during the day hours. They are locally called loo. Loo is a striking feature of the hot weather season. At that time, West Bengal and Assam experience Kal Baisakhi. Kal Baisakhi are localized thunderstorms associated with violent winds, heavy rainfall, often with hailstorms. In Kerala and Karnataka, the pre-monsoon showers help in the ripening of mangoes. That is why they are termed as mango showers. They are also known as April rains or summer showers. Towards the end of summer season, many parts of the country experience pre-monsoon showers characterized by strong winds and heavy rainfall. The third season is advancing monsoon or rainy season. This season starts from mid-June and lasts till the end of September. It brings a total change in weather condition. In June, temperatures in North India are very high. The low pressure conditions over the northern plains attract the trade winds of the southern hemisphere. As these winds blow over warm oceans, they bring abundant moisture to the country. These are called rainy or southwest monsoon. These bring rainfall to most part of the country. The moisture-laden winds move from sea to land. Due to the shape of the Indian peninsula, it gets divided into two branches, the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. The Arabian Sea branch. This branch hits the windward side of the Western Ghats and bring heavy rainfall to the coastal areas of Kerala, Karnataka and Maharashtra. The areas lying on the leeward side of the Western Ghats, such as Deccan Plateau and parts of Madhya Pradesh, also receive some amount of rainfall. The another branch or second branch is the Bay of Bengal branch. This branch causes heavy rainfall in the eastern and northeastern states of India like Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, West Bengal, Odisha, etc. It brings heavy rainfall to the Ganga-Brahmaputra delta and northeastern hills. Massive Ram in Meghalaya receive the world's highest rainfall through this branch, that is more than 11,873 millimeter rainfall annually. Another phenomenon associated with the monsoon is irregular and undependable. Its tendency to have breaks in rainfall. The break in rainfall means the monsoon rains take place only for a few days at a time. The monsoon is known for its uncertainties. These are often dry spells within the rainy periods. These wind causes flood in one part and drought in another part at the same time. The fourth is retreating monsoons or autumn season. The time period is October and November months. In simple words, Retreating means withdrawal. So during these months, it is the withdrawal of monsoon from India. The withdrawal of monsoon gradually takes place. By October, it starts leaving the northwest of India, and by November end, it leaves the country. As it follows the monsoon season, it is called retreating monsoon. By the end of September, the direct rays of sun start shifting to the southern hemisphere. The low pressure over the northern plain weakens. The winds start moving in the northeast direction from the land to the sea. The ground is still moist in October. The clouds disappear and the sky becomes clear. The days are hot while the nights are pleasant and cool. Due to the high rate of evaporation during daytime, it causes humidity. The weather becomes sticky and oppressive due to excessive heat and high humidity. This phenomenon is termed as October heat. The wind moves in northeast to southwest direction. It collects moisture from Bay of Bengal and brings rainfall to southern parts of the country such as Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka. This is known as the retreat of monsoon. In this season, a low pressure is developed in the Bay of Bengal. This gives rise to severe cyclonic storms which hit the eastern coast of India. Tropical cyclones bring rainfall to the coastal areas of West Bengal, Odisha, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, which are often destructive.